Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use full self-driving in your Tesla Model X. First, make sure your vehicle's software is completely up to date and that the full self-driving feature is activated within your car's settings menu. Once you are ready to begin your journey, simply pull the right stalk down 2 times in quick succession. This action will engage the system, allowing your Model X to manage steering, acceleration, and braking automatically as you drive. Remember, driver supervision is always required. Once engaged, your Model X will intelligently navigate to your set destination. It will smoothly execute lane changes, pass slower vehicles, and make necessary turns. The system is designed to recognize and respond to traffic lights and stop signs, bringing the vehicle to a complete stop and then proceeding when safe. However, it is crucial that you, the driver, remain fully attentive and prepared to intervene instantly, as FSD requires active supervision at all times. Beyond standard navigation, full self-driving offers several advanced maneuvers. Your Model X can automatically park itself, whether you need to parallel park on a busy street or back into a perpendicular spot. The convenient summon feature allows you to move your vehicle forward or backward a short distance, perfect for tight parking situations. Furthermore, FSD is capable of navigating complex intersections, including making unprotected left turns with careful consideration. Safety is paramount when using full self-driving. Always maintain constant vigilance, keeping your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road. If you need to take over, simply apply the brakes or push the right stalk up 1 time to disengage the system immediately. Remember to regularly update your Tesla's software to ensure you have the most current features and the latest safety enhancements for an optimal driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.